So today we're doing a cleanup job. We're getting all this cleaned out. Getting all of this cleaned out. And then we're putting mulch down.
Muscle Mowers lawn care.
Check us out, guys. Got a sign for the trailer, magnets for the truck. To be honest, I was a little hesitant to get a sign on the truck with my phone number up there because I don't like phone calls at all times of the day. But I realized that it was necessary for marketing. It makes a huge difference having something on your truck and your trailer to make you visible and to make you stand out. All right, guys, so this technique that I'm doing right here is my finishing move for mulch jobs. I take a plastic rake. Pro tip of the day, by the way. I take a plastic rake, flip it around, and smooth all of the mulch. You don't want to leave mulch lumpy. At least I don't like to leave mulch lumpy. In my opinion, it's not very professional, and it just looks a lot better when you smooth it out. So look at the difference that this is making. All right, guys, it's a wrap. Good work, man. Appreciate it. You did good. This right here is cedar mulch. We normally use hardwood mulch, but we use cedar today per client request. That's it, guys. What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Rashad here with Muscle Mowers Lawn Care. Almost done with everything on schedule for today. Had a big clean out job earlier in the day that we just completed a little while ago. I'm headed to do a mulch job next. Got the trailer loaded down with mulch, and that's gonna wrap up the week, folks. Yes, sir. The weather cooperated with us. Can't talk. With us this week, and so we were able to get all of our mowing done as scheduled. And so today was a landscaping day. What else? What's new? Oh, showed you guys the the magnets for the truck and the sign for the back. So really excited about that. Excited to work on our branding and our marketing side of things, which is something that we really haven't tapped into yet. Besides that, what's new? Oh, had a new guy start this week. So far so good with that. I think that's about it. Hope everybody had an awesome week. Hope everybody's staying safe and have a great weekend. Catch you on the next one. Peace.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe.